Look, I feel that men's hairstyles today are more diverse than ever, and if you're tired of just rocking this and you've been stuck on this for the last 6 years, you're gonna wanna watch this video because today I'm gonna show you the 6 most popular hairstyles you should be rocking for the next year. Let's hop into this. Number 1, and the one that caught me by surprise, is a mullet, and low-key it's growing on me. Some dudes really could just pull it off. The cool thing with the mullet is it doesn't matter what type of hairstyle you have, whether it's really curly or straight, it can work from you. The only advice I'd give you is that it can get pretty wild. Like, you could grow it to the point that it looks like a rat tail, and in my opinion, at that point it looks kind of messy. So I recommend you start it easy. Go for a medium length and just shave the sideburns. Don't go too high up on the shaves because then it's gonna look like a weird mohawk. Keep it low and tight and kind of warm yourself up to the hairstyle and then go from there. Number 2, it's the buzz cut. It's a classic. It's maintenance free basically. It's just careless, it's relaxed, it's laid back, you look like a badass. And the craziest part is that it's crazy to think about that this dude probably gave this trend the boost it needed, and more men are opting for a buzz cut. And the cool thing with the buzz cut is that it doesn't take, it's not intricate, it doesn't take a certain hairstyle. Anybody can do it, and if it looks bad, you can just grow it back. The only thing you need to be worried about is your head shape. If you do have a weird head shape, usually a buzz cut might not look as good on you. Number 3 is a crop cut. Usually you want to let your hair fall up on your forehead. This is a hairstyle I recommend for a lot of guys that are having a receding hairline. A lot of YouTubers you'll see, they'll do the same thing, like your Paul brothers. Both of them have receding hairlines and use crop cuts to hide some of that hair loss. Now, if you are battling with hair loss, I recommend for you guys to pick up a derma roller. I've talked about this before. This is a micro needling technique, and it's an effective treatment for hair loss. It boosts collagen production to your scalp, which helps regrow some of that lost hair. And again, yo, that's not just me saying, that's not just bro science. Like, no, that's real science. Like, it's scientifically proven, and yeah, we sell it at He as well. And ours is super affordable and will look sexy in your bathroom. And it's not only for receding hairlines or hair loss up here, but a lot of dudes use it for the beard growth. And it's, again, proven to help grow or fill in some of the patches that you may be dealing with. It's also great for collagen production to the skin, so it helps regenerate some of that scarred tissue if you're dealing with acne scars or any imperfections on your skin. Like, honestly, a derma roller is a win-win-win for a guy, and in my opinion is an essential that every dude should have in their bathroom just because of all the benefits that it's gonna give you and how crazy affordable it is. And right now, we just created our best-selling bundle that's been selling like crazy, where we're bundling our derma roller with our skin cleanser. So our electronic facial cleanser is great to clear off the skin, remove the dirt, and also exfoliate the skin from all those imperfections and toxins. Then you follow it up with the derma roller technique. Not only are you gonna be growing up the beard growth, you're gonna be balancing out the skin and perfecting your skin so you look as handsome as possible. And right now, the bundle has an insane discount if you buy both products. If you guys wanna, click the link and check them out. Like I said, these are some of our best-selling tools that I believe every dude needs in their bathroom to look better. If you guys wanna check out that bundle, click that link down below. Number 4, it's curls and waves. See, today more and more men are actually perming their hair to add texture, waves, and volume to it, whereas 5 to 6 years ago, it was the opposite. Every dude wanted perfectly straight hair. It's natural, it's easy, it's relaxed, and it doesn't require hours for you to get it in place in the morning because you're letting your hair take its natural course. The only thing I recommend for dudes like us with wavy or curly hair is use a hydrating curl cream. See, our hair type, it tends to be very easy to frizz out during the day, and at that point it just looks like a mess, like you don't even have it under control. So using a hydrating curl cream, what it's basically gonna do is it's not gonna hold it in place, it's just gonna keep the curls moisturized. That way they don't start frizzing out and looking all crazy. Number 5, it's the long hair. The hair that flows. See, it's just hair with attitude, where you let it grow at least to like medium length, and it doesn't matter whether it's curly, wavy, or straight. Now, this hair type does require a lot of maintenance and upkeep to keep it healthy, and especially drying times in the morning. However, once you learn it, once you get it right, it just flows. It looks effortless and it looks crazy masculine. And finally, number 6, it's the side part, the one that I don't think it'll ever die. This is the classic. This is the timeless one where you can always reverse prefer to. However, this is the one that you want to wear in the right occasions. You're going to a job interview, you go for the side part. You go into a presentation, you go in somewhere where you want to look formal. This is the haircut that you pair with the suit, where you're just going to look sleek. You're going to look money. The side part tends to send a message of status and maturity. So if that's what you're trying to do, the side part is a hairstyle that any dude can pull off. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Those are 6 popular hairstyles for the next year that you can try if you want to do a switch up. That's it for me today. See you next time.